Welcome to this lesson on Amazon RDS Read Replicas. In this video, we'll explore how read replicas help scale read operations in your database infrastructure. Read replicas are a powerful feature that can significantly improve your application's performance when dealing with heavy read workloads. A read replica is a read-only copy of your primary RDS database instance. It serves read traffic, which helps improve your application's overall performance. The primary database handles both read and write operations, while the read replica only handles read queries. Data is copied from the primary database to the replica using asynchronous replication, meaning there's a slight delay between when data is written to the primary and when it appears on the replica. The architecture is straightforward. You have a primary database that accepts both read and write operations from your application. This primary database continuously replicates its data to one or more read replicas using asynchronous replication. The read replicas are read-only, meaning applications can query them for data but cannot modify the data directly. This separation allows you to distribute your read workload across multiple database instances. There are 4 primary use cases for read replicas. First, reporting and analytics workloads can be offloaded to a replica, preventing heavy queries from impacting your production database. Second, you can scale read traffic by distributing queries across multiple replica endpoints. Third, read replicas enable geographic distribution by placing them closer to users in different regions, reducing latency. Fourth, they provide a disaster recovery option since you can promote a replica to become a standalone primary instance if needed. Read replicas have several important features. They use asynchronous replication, meaning changes are copied with minimal but noticeable delay. You can create up to 5 read replicas per primary database instance. Cross-region support allows you to deploy replicas in different AWS regions for better global coverage. Finally, if needed, you can promote a read replica to become a standalone primary database instance, breaking the replication link. Read replicas are supported across all major RDS database engines. This includes MySQL, PostgreSQL, MariaDB, Oracle, and SQL Server. Each engine implements read replicas with slight variations, but the core functionality remains consistent across all platforms. When configuring read replicas, keep these points in mind. Each replica has its own unique DNS endpoint that your application must connect to explicitly. Read replicas can have different instance sizes than the primary, allowing you to optimize costs. If you create cross-region replicas, be aware that data transfer between regions incurs additional charges. Also, automatic backups must be enabled on the primary instance before you can create read replicas. Read replicas have some important limitations to understand. Replication lag means data might not be immediately consistent between the primary and replica. Since replicas are read-only, your application cannot perform write operations on them. You must manually update your application's connection strings to use replica endpoints. Finally, read replicas do not provide high availability with automatic failover. For that capability, you should use RDS multi-AZ deployments instead.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.